Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava phone guys face lock setup setting. How to set up face lock, how to use face lock on lava mobile. In this video friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your lava phone setting. After on lava phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your lava mobile. So friends, click here lava mobile security setting. After on security setting friends, you can see this type interface on your lava mobile. Friends, click here password setting, and friends you want to set face lock, friends you want to set fingerprint lock. So we select, friends we will click face lock, and friends after click face lock friends, you can see choose a screen lock. So friends, you don't have any lock screen password. So friends, select your password type, pin, pattern and password. So friends, I will use pattern, and friends draw pattern. Which pattern friends you want to use? Draw. Friends, I will use this Z. Next same pattern friends, again draw, confirm, done option. I agree friends, click here friends start option, and friends show your face here. After show face friends, you can see this type interface, all set, looking good. Done option, click here, and friends you can see face lock we have on lock screen. So friends show your face, and friends you can unlock your lava mobile. So like that friends, we can use face lock setting on lava mobile. We can set face lock and we can use face lock on lava mobile. And friends, you can unlock your phone with pattern, so don't show your face. Friends, draw your device pattern and you can unlock your lava mobile. And friends, you want to remove face lock, you don't want to use, you want to delete. So friends, click here security setting, password setting, face lock setting. So friends, draw your device pattern, and friends you can delete your face lock from here. Click here and your face lock will delete. And friends, you can check your screen lock also. And friends, you want to change your screen lock password, so you can change. And friends, by mistake if you remove your screen lock friends, you can see notification face lock will also delete on your device permanently. Friends, if you remove your screen lock, so face lock will also delete. So friends, if you click delete option friends, you can see face lock automatic delete. And again you want to use, again friends you will have to select first pattern, pin and password. Then friends you can start face lock on your lava mobile. So like that friends, we can set up face lock, we can use face lock, and we can delete face lock on lava mobile. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.